channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I'm going to cook my Filipino menudo. So here are the ingredients. And then we're just gonna fry the hot dog. Okay, I think this is already set. In pan, we're gonna add in our liver. Just gonna fry it a little bit until it turns brown. And then we're gonna add in our black pepper. And then we're gonna add in our chicken bouillon. So I'm just gonna use one cube, just crushed it. I love the vibrant color that the tomato paste gives. And then I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. We are going to go ahead and mix it. Now we're gonna add ketchup. Just probably 2 tablespoons of ketchup. So let's go ahead and check. It's been simmering for 35 minutes. Ooh, look at those oil coming out. That's like about it. We are gonna go ahead and check the tenderness. That's so soft. Okay, our meat is tender. So we're gonna add in our liver. You can smell the yumminess already. Add in our hot dog. We are going to add in our carrot, red bell pepper, and greens. We're gonna boil them for 7 minutes. So, as you can see, I have to change my pan because I just realized that it's too much for my small frying pan. And then we're gonna add in our sweet peas. I'll be using 2 boxes of raisins. We're going to season our menudo. Here I'm going to use sea salt, just a little bit, and I'll be using a brown sugar, just a little pinch. And check our, ooh, that looks delicious. Our menudo, been cooking for 7 minutes. So hi guys, this is ready to be served. So this is our finished product. This is Filipino menudo with sweet green peas and raisins. Yummy, this looks so delicious. Like seriously delicious. I hope guys you like watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.